Okay, last 10 days actually in Barcelona, and I'm just shy. It'll just be shy of like 3 months here. This year just didn't feel like staying that much longer. Got bored. To be honest, I didn't get so bored actually. I got bored. I miss more homesick. I want to go to Greece, bro. Settle down a bit in Greece. Get an apartment if you plan. Do some host a comedy show. I have a bunch of others. I want to double down on my personal brand in Greece. All this stuff I want to do in Greece. So I got to get back.
Get my love and I took it down.
Slow down, you crazy child. You're so ambitious for juvenile, but then you're so...
That's not good. Alrighty, so we have arrived in Chicago, and I'm here with Angela, Spartan, Greek as well, and look at Chicago, big ass city. We saw Billy Joel yesterday, and Stevie Nicks from Fleetwood Mac. He's got a bit of a raspy voice, but you know, Billy Joel was great though. He's always great. And now we're doing some sort of exercise, Pilates, American version of exercise. Whatever it's called. I got my Starbucks cold brew. And yeah, so a lot of adventures. We're going to a Greek night in Chicago. There's actually a suburb here called Greektown. So there's a lot of ethnics here, which is good. We're going to see how the American Greeks, which everyone knows are the cooler Greeks, coolest diaspora Greeks in the world, how they live. So yeah, a lot of adventures to come, and we're going to a Cubs game on Sunday, batting cages, all of that, and then Tuesday we're going to Denver, Colorado, see your friends. So lots happening, a lot of adventures.
Give me your plate. Get this pic. Get this pic.
That's way too much, though.
It's not. Chicago doggy style.
How many fucking... What is that? What is that?
And then celery. The best wiener you've ever had.
Yo. That looks like a salad.
Yeah.
Okay, it's Monday in Chirac. It's not as dangerous as I'd say it is. We've had done a lot of stuff. Cubs game yesterday, saw Billy Joel, heaps of restaurants, heaps of bars and stuff, deep dish pizza, all this stuff. It's been pretty cool. One more day here, and we're going to Denver for like 5 days, so it should be fun. I'm going straight, not even dropping off it, I'm going straight to an improv comedy place, so it's going to be fun. Alright, I've arrived in Denver, Colorado, and also the Rocky Mountains. Yo, it's a squirrel, dude. we are on the trail in the Rocky Mountains. I think we're like halfway up. Gonna see the Flatirons. I don't know what that is. It's pretty nice up here. Boulder's very nice. Nature and stuff. Alright, so I'm in the mecca of like white people doing crazy things adventurously. I went on a hike and I survived. God bless America. It's too late. It's too late. It's a warm up. That's good.